So I know kumaka odaume, which is pronouns. So we are doing singular, first person, second person.
Are you listening?
Third person.
4-9.
Is everybody listening? So we are still doing the singular, first person, second person, third person. If you have a question, wait until the end, okay? This is dependent pronouns. This is dependent pronouns, okay? This is the one you cannot separate, which is, it is singular, and it's you. We are talking about the one about you, another person, and another person, okay? So the one first person is mu. The second person is you, when you're talking to another person. The third person is which is, the second person is direct. You're talking direct. And it depends on the vowel harmony with the vowel verb. Okay, you're talking direct. Then the third person is when I'm talking to Uchenna or Ogbonna about Chinyere. Okay, it's another person. Okay, another person, that's the third person. So I want to make sure I am very clear here. All right, then when you say he, she, it, I already did all this, but I'm just going up again. Okay, it's oh. Don't forget you're saying she did it, he did it, it is hers, it is not hers. Oh yeah, you keep on saying that person, yeah, it, okay? So I want you to know what you're saying here. When I'm looking at you and I'm talking to you, I say, Gi ebiara. Now, another way to do this, let's take it one after another, okay? Ebiara. Ebiara. E is referring to you. I am looking at you and I said, did you come? Did you come? Ebiara. Okay, can you see, everybody, can you see my video? Did you see me demonstrating? Ebiara. Okay, did you see what I'm sharing? Can you see the board? Okay. All right. Okay, now Ebiara. Let me raise the phone. Okay, I said Ebiara. That's a question. And that A, don't get confused. We are talking about A, which is you. Did you come? Did you come? Ebiara. Ebiara. Now, Chinwe, if you see this one now, the subject is where it's supposed to be. Did you come? Ebiara. Okay. Now, when you say ha biara, when I say ha, who am I referring to now? Ha biara, who am I referring to? I need somebody to unmute and tell me if you understand what we've been doing so far. Ha biara. Who are ha? No, I need somebody to say them. Okay. No, there, ha biara. Okay.
Them.
They came. Okay. Did you come? Ha biara. They came. When I say ha biara, I mean that they came. All right. Ha biara. Okay. Ha biara. I'm going to repeat it. Okay. Ha biara. It means they came. Biara means now you can. This is past tense. This is past tense. You need to know that. This is in the past. Then did you come? Present tense. First one is present tense. Ebiara. Did you come? Now when you say Abiaram. Yes, I came. Yes, I came.
Abiaram.
When I get there now, I need you to understand the pronouns. We are doing the pronouns. That's what I want you to understand first. They came. Is there. Okay. Ha is there. They came. Now, uno obiara. This is uno obiara. Ebiara means you. You. Ebiara. You. Obiara. When I say obiara,
Yeah.
I'm asking you whether he, she, it came. Obiara. Okay, when I say, did your mother come today? Did she come? Obiara. Did you see that?
Obiara.
So we are replacing her name and then the pronoun she with I need you to know that. Obiara. Obiara. Okay? So now you know the first person, second person, third person. So it's there. Now we're moving on. Now, independent pronouns. Independent pronouns. We did the singular here. We have first person, I, or means marble. Ma, apple. We should have that on O and U. Ma, apple. Ma, apple. That is the meaning of all. Marble. So we say I, G, mu, nkem, nkemu. Okay, you see the example here. Nkemu.
That's why you know it.
Nkemu. Okay. All right. So now, because I want us to do exercise when I finish this. The second person, you are gi, and it is direct. Him, his. Okay, her, hers, it, its, ya, nke ya, indirect. When I'm not looking at the person, but when I'm looking at you and I'm talking to you, I say you, gi, oge, oya. Okay, now the plural form of it. We have the plural. When we say we, the first person, us. I need to raise the font. Okay, the plural form of it. When it's more than one person now. Now, you, I am looking at a group of people, all of you, and I said, you. Okay? When I say you, I'm looking at all of you. This is not singular now. This is plural. More than one person. Oge ọ karịrị ofu onye, mmadụ abụọ, mmadụ atọ, mmadụ anọ, gawazie, and above. Okay? So when I'm looking at you, you all. Now, when you answer a question, including yourself, you are in a group, and then you answer a question. We all, we did it. We don't know. We are here. You see that? Anyị, we, anyị. It is ours. Ọ nke anyị, nke anyị. So when you say anyị, you included yourself. Don't say uno. Uno is only when you're looking at a group of people and you say, you, go do this. Ga mee ya. You, uno. You all live. Unu niile. Unu niile. I want to make sure that you understand what I'm saying. Unu niile. Now, let's give an example. Okay. You all. Unu. Unu niile. All right, it means you all. You can also be you. You can say you. Talking to a group of people. Okay, this is what we're. Talking to a group of people, okay? So you're talking to a group, and then you're looking at the direct. All right? You're talking to a group of people, direct. You're looking at the you. You all. You all. Unu niile. Don't forget to put dots underneath the you. All right? So now that is direct. When I'm looking at you and I'm talking to you. Now, indirect. Indirect talk. No. Wait, I'm coming. Indirect talk when you're looking at people, when you're not looking at them. Okay. Indirect. Okay. Talking to people indirect. Now. Ha niile. Ha. This is plural. This is plural. I want to make sure you know plural. Okay. Anyị niile. Okay. Indirect. Ha niile. When you're looking, telling somebody else, ha niile is indirect. All of them. See that? This is indirect talk. Ha niile. All of you go. You see that? All of you. Unu niile is direct. Ha niile is indirect. And this is plural when you are talking about more than 2, 3 people. More than one person, okay? So ha niile. Ugonna, you need to stop your video. We don't want to be seeing your tongue coming out. You hear me? Block your video because you're not behaving. I need Ugonna to block. I'm going to block your video. You're not behaving, Ugonna. I don't want to see your tongue. This is classroom. All right? You do that again, I take you out of the class, Ugonna. Don't put your tongue out again. You're in the classroom, Ugonna. We don't want to see such video. This is a classroom. Okay? So this is a warning. We can't behave like that in the classroom. All right. So now we're talking about indirect and direct talk. Now, let's talk about uno, anyị. Anyị is when you are including yourself. I keep stressing it. Anyị mere ya. We did it. Okay? We did it. Now, they did it. Ha mere ya. Emere m ya. This is singular, but we are talking about plural. So you see the examples there. Any question, you have to reserve it towards the end. I'll give you time to ask questions, but not now, because I'm trying to finish it. I want to make sure you understand what I'm doing and how to use the pronouns. Okay? Unu niile, anyị niile. Anyị niile when you are included. Ha niile is when you are not. You excluded yourself. Ha niile, they all. Anyị niile, we all. Ngi means you. When you're looking at the person and you're talking to that person. Nkem means it is mine, possessive. Nkeya means it is hers, his. Okay? Nke ha niile, it's all of them. It is for all of them. Okay. All right. So now, if you understand what I'm saying, what I said before is that we all, you all, when you're saying all of you, us when you are included, them, ha, you, gị, me, mụ, nke m, nke mụ, when you're talking about yourself. Nke ya, it is his. Okay? Now, I think we have stressed enough on that. We got it. Okay, so now we are doing something called addressing more than one person. And that's what we just did. First person, all of us. Second person, all of you. Unu niile. Third person, all of them. Ha niile. You see it here? So make sure you're paying attention and you're following. Now we have interrogative pronouns. When you are asking questions, Jojo, when you say, Uchenna, what? Uchenna will say, Gini. What? Miss Gini. What is happening? Gini na-eme. Okay? Gini na-eme. It means what is happening. Gini na-eme. Gini means what? Now we're just giving an example. Gini na-eme. What? What is happening? What is happening? Gini na-eme. Gini. Okay, now I called Uche. Uche like, what? What is it? What is it? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Ahụ means that. This ahụ, A-H, okay, I think I need to increase the font for you. Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Means what is it? All right? Okay, gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is it? Gịnị na-eme? What is happening? Gịnị na-eme? All right? Okay, so gịnị bụ afa gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? So I think we've used gịnị enough. Gịnị bụ aha or afa gị? What is your name? Okay. Now, why? Maka gịnị? Why is maka gịnị? Why should I? Gịnị ka m ga-eji eme ya? Why should I? Maka gịnị? Maka gịnị? Why should I? Or maka who? Onye. Who is onye? And then you can say ọ bụ onye. Now somebody is knocking on the door. Ọ bụ onye na-akụ? Knock means knocking. Knocking on the door. Na-akụ. Ịkụ aka n'ụzọ. You're knocking. Ịkụ aka. Okay? Knocking. Onye na-akụ? Na-akụ. All right. So who? Why? Maka gịnị? Now we have who. Onye. Who? Onye. Now, Obinna ga-alụ onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. Okay. Obinna, go see who is knocking on the door. Ga means go. Lee, look. Onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. Who is knocking on the door? Onye na-akụ. Who is knocking? Onye na-akụ. Okay, let me put it down. Onye na-akụ n'ụzọ? All right. Who is knocking on the door? Who is knocking on the door? Onye means who is knocking. Then na. Na is. Akụ n'ụzọ. Akụ means knocking. Na ụzọ means on the door. Ụzọ means door. Ụzọ means door. And then ụzọ also can be the road. Ụzọ can also mean road. Ụzọ can mean road. Ụzọ can mean road. Ụzọ can mean door. So we have two ways of saying it. Two different meaning. Ụzọ, door, or road. Okay, but it depends on the content. So it depends on the content of what you wrote. That's how you are going to know whether it is the road or the door. Now, you can't say, if you want to use the road, you say, who is knocking on the road? No. Who is knocking on the door? Who is walking on the road? You can do that. Onye na-aga n'ụzọ. All right, so now, onye na-aga. Now, we're going to talk about dropping the, we're going to do that, but when we do the preposition, I'll teach you guys how to do that, how you drop, how you put the apostrophe, but right now, I'm going to write it the way it's supposed to be. Onye na-aga na ụzọ. Onye na-aga n'ụzọ. Okay. Who is walking on the road? You see that? Onye means who. Naga. Naga is walking. Na ụzọ, on the road. So that's how you break it down. Onye na-aga na ụzọ. So onye means who. Naga means is walking. Na ụzọ means on the road. I hope we got it. Now let's go back again. We have when. Mgbe ole. Mgbe ole. You can also say ole mgbe. You can switch it. Ole mgbe. It is the sentence. Mgbe ole or ole mgbe. It means the sentence. When is it? When is it? Mgbe ole or ole mgbe. When is it? How? How? It means, okay, how are you? Remember when you're starting a word, how is not just only kedu. It's kedu. How are you? How you doing? You can also say, how did this happen? How means kedu. Etu. How did it happen? How did it happen? Kedu etu o siri mee. Okay, now we're gonna use how. How did it happen? Okay. How did it happen? Kedu etu o siri mee. How did it happen? Kedu etu o siri mee. Okay. Kedu etu o siri mee. I have to put the dots. Etu o siri mee. Okay, how means kedu. Did it? Did etu. Did means etu. It happened. O siri me. O siri me. O siri me. Okay, this is me, not me. That's not English. Me, M-E is me. Happen. Kedu etu o siri me? How did it happen? Kedu etu o siri me? And now pay attention. We need to separate this for you to know we are talking about all. We are talking about o siri me. Kedu etu o siri me? And don't forget when with the pronouns we are talking about, all replace it. Kedu etu o siri me? So you can't miss it. You can miss the spelling. See, it means o. Don't worry about every other words here. What we are focusing on, learning how to use the pronouns, how to replace it. Okay? It, she, it, them, us. Okay? His, has, its. So that's basically what we're doing. You are, all of you, we all. So this is what we are doing today. Pay attention to the pronouns. All right. So let's see what we haven't touched. Now, this is how we did it here. Ahu. Ahu. Now, we have a demonstrative pronouns. But we're going to leave this till next time because I feel like I'm loading so much on you. We're not going to do it the next lesson. So that it won't be too much because I want you to pay attention. But this is, let's add it. That's the only thing that's left here. So we're going to do it anyway. It's demonstrative, how you demonstrate something. Okay, when you, for example, when you say that thing there, that, it is there, those things, these things, this. You see what I'm saying? So when you say that, I put that thing you are talking to me about, that thing, when you say that thing, ihe ahụ, ihe ahụ means that thing, ihe ahụ. Okay, who are those? Who are those? Okay, kedu ndị dị ihe ahụ? Okay, who? Remember again, see kedu again. Kedu ndị means ndị. Kedu ndị dị ihe ahụ? Ahụ. Kedu ndị dị ihe ahụ? Ahụ means those. This is what we are using here. Ahụ. Who are those? Kedu ndị means are those dị ihe ahụ. We're gonna get to all this ndị dị ihe ahụ, not now. I don't want you to get lost. Just pay attention to the pronouns first. How we are using them. Demonstrative pronouns. How you demonstrate something. It is this. This is here. This is here. Okay. Ihe a nọ ebe a. This is here. Okay. Ihe a nọ ebe a. Ihe a. You see, we have ihe a or nke a. You can also say ihe a or nke a. All right. This. Ihe a. This is here. Ihe a nọ ebe a. That's what it is. Okay. So we have 10 more minutes. Ihe a nọ ebe a. You see that? Okay. It is. This is here. Ihe a nọ ebe a. So I need you to pay attention to what we are doing. Ihe is the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so that's what we are using. And then we have ndia, these, ndia, these. Okay, so this is the end of the pronoun. We did all of them, and the note, I will post the note as well, and then the lesson today. So go to the link. Make sure you subscribe. Don't just go there and listen to the lesson, and then you do not, you have to subscribe, okay? Another thing I want to touch base on is, we're gonna do that next time, but I just want us to do something like a song that we're going to be using to start a lesson every time. And we need to know this song. The song is talking about our parents. I will send the words, and then I will send the lyrics, and then the song. But I want you to hear it now. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike Tienike Subibo Kaso Sibanye Garemo. It means our parents speak Igbo. Our relatives, friends speak Igbo language so that Igbo language will not die. Okay, so I'm going to type it here. Igbo song. Ndị nne na nna. And okay, it means our parents, means mother, ne means father and mother. Our parents, which our father and mother. Ndị ikwu na ibe anyị. Our relatives and friends. Okay. Anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo. Okay. Anyị na-arịọ unu. You see, Ono is here now. You see it, but I'm gonna dot it. The U is supposed to have dots. Please put it. So the class will end soon. Once it ends, I will forward everything. Give me like 10, 15, 20 minutes. Then you go to the link. I will post it as well. I will let you know. If you subscribe, you will know when the class is posted. And then you go there, okay? So it's gonna end. I'm just letting you know. We did more than an hour today because I wanted to finish this lesson. So I will still finish it and then send to you in case if it ends. Just know that, okay? If you have a question, post it, text me. Ask me a question because we don't have enough time to finish it today. All right, so let me do this. I'm gonna put the dots on the U.
Can you repeat the name of the website where you posting it?
I'm gonna send it the link. It's on YouTube. And then we have Atlanta Igbo School. Who is doing this? Atlanta Igbo School. Atlanta Igbo School on WhatsApp. You should get it there. So go look on your WhatsApp, Atlanta Igbo School Visual Classroom. You have to go there, but you have to go to YouTube when I send the link to subscribe. It's Atlanta Igbo School as well. When you go there, you see it. I posted the link already. Once the class is posted, every lesson posted, then you should be able to see it. But you have to subscribe. But I will post it on the forum, so you will see it. All right, so let me finish this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the song, Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike Jisienike Subibo Kasusi Banye Garewo. So I'm gonna finish typing it and then post the lesson, okay? So good to have you guys in the class today. Please read. Review your lessons, go over. I will also post the human bodies head to toe that are labeled in Igbo. You will see everything. I want you to go there and then review everything. And I will post homework as well. Do it, ask questions. But let me tell you, don't Google because Google is not always right. Anything you're Googling in Igbo, they are on website now. Most of them are not correct. So, but try your best. You can ask anybody, but you can Google, but when you Google it, make sure you are right. Some of them are not right. Some people are just posting what they like there. But do your homework, learn the word. That's the only way you retain it, okay? So, cardinal.
Kachifo.
Kaomesia.
No, that's good night.
Kaomesia. Cardinal Bashir.
Kamesia.
Unu nwa ụbọchị ọma. Kaomesia. All right.
No, I.
All right. So stop sharing and then end the meeting.